Hello! Are you planning your first trip to Japan? In this video, we'll introduce the essential items you need to bring for a smooth and enjoyable trip to Japan. Having these items will ensure you have a comfortable journey. Don't forget to like and subscribe. First, let's talk about cash. While credit cards are becoming more widely accepted in Japan, especially in big cities, you'll still need cash for smaller shops, local markets, and food stalls. For example, if you want to buy fresh fruits at a local market, enjoy delicious takoyaki from a street vendor, or eat at a small ramen shop, you'll need cash. Even though carrying a large amount of cash might seem risky, Japan is very safe, so there's no need to worry. However, you will quickly accumulate coins, so having a coin purse is essential. A coin purse helps keep your wallet organized and makes it easy to handle change. For instance, you'll often receive 500 yen or 100 yen coins, and having a coin purse can be very handy. Next, carry a handkerchief. Many public toilets in Japan do not provide paper towels, and drying your hands can be challenging. Additionally, many restaurants do not offer cloth napkins. A handkerchief is incredibly useful in these situations. For example, after washing your hands during sightseeing, you'll need a way to dry them. A handkerchief is also helpful for avoiding spills while eating. You can find beautiful handkerchiefs in tourist areas, making them great souvenirs. In Japan, you will often need to remove your shoes when entering homes, temples, and traditional inns. For example, when visiting a friend's house or staying at a ryokan, you'll be required to take off your shoes. Therefore, wearing easy-to-remove shoes is very convenient. Additionally, since your socks will be visible when you take off your shoes, wearing clean socks is important. You don't want to be embarrassed by dirty or holey socks. It's a good idea to bring extra pairs of clean socks for your trip. In Japanese cities, garbage cans are few and far between, so you'll need to carry your trash with you until you find a place to dispose of it. For example, if you eat snacks while sightseeing, you might not find a garbage can immediately. This is where plastic bags come in handy. Plastic bags that seal well to prevent odors and leaks are ideal. This way, you can carry your trash without any inconvenience. They can also double as shopping bags for any items you buy during your trip. Transportation IC cards like Suica or Pasmo are indispensable for traveling in Japan. These cards can be used on most public transportation systems, allowing you to pass through ticket gates smoothly. They can also be used at convenience stores and vending machines, making them very convenient. For instance, in Tokyo, using an IC card saves you the hassle of buying tickets for each train ride. Even when traveling to rural areas, these cards work on buses and trains. You can purchase them at station ticket machines or convenience stores and charge them with the necessary amount. To stay connected to the internet during your trip, renting a pocket Wi-Fi device is recommended. While free Wi-Fi spots are increasing in Japan, they are not available everywhere. With a pocket Wi-Fi device, you can have internet access anytime, anywhere. For example, if you get lost or need to look up restaurant recommendations, having a pocket Wi-Fi device is very convenient. You can reserve a rental online and pick it up at the airport or have it delivered to your hotel. Returning it is also easy, just put it in the provided envelope and drop it in a mailbox. If your phone's battery dies while you're out, you won't be able to use maps, translation apps, or your camera. Carrying a mobile battery ensures you can charge your phone anytime, anywhere. For instance, during long days of sightseeing, your phone's battery might run low. With a mobile battery, you can charge your phone and continue using it without interruption. Remember to bring a charging cable as well. Bring your physical passport with you when shopping. In Japan, foreign tourists can get tax exemptions on purchases over 5,000 yen, but you'll need your actual passport for the procedure. For example, if you're buying souvenirs at a large department store or airport, you can save a significant amount by getting a tax exemption. Since a copy of your passport won't be accepted, make sure to carry the original. Japan uses Type A plugs with a 100V voltage. Make sure to bring an adapter plug to use your electronic devices. While you can buy them in Japan, it's best to prepare one in advance for peace of mind. For example, you'll need an adapter to charge your smartphone or camera battery. By bringing an adapter plug, you can use your electronics without any issues. Remember to check the plug type and voltage before your trip. Japan experiences a lot of rain, especially during the rainy and typhoon seasons. Carrying a folding umbrella will ensure you're prepared for sudden showers. Japanese folding umbrellas are compact, durable, and make great souvenirs. For example, if you get caught in a sudden downpour, a folding umbrella will keep you dry. You can easily find folding umbrellas in many stores throughout Japan, so even if you don't bring one, you can quickly buy one. These are the essential items for your trip to Japan. We hope this guide helps make your journey more enjoyable and comfortable. With these items, you'll be ready for any situation during your trip. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Safe travels!